Thanks very much, everyone, and good evening. Really continuing on Rebecca's theme, I'm here this evening really to express my gratitude. Your volunteerism, your commitment to our communities, all that work, all the training, extensive amount of hours, the risk you put yourself out for both the training and the calls is something that is recognized. And I want you to know how much that means, and to know that leadership really makes a difference. You know, the tone you set, the example you set, is something that really makes the difference in terms of excellence within your companies and departments. I've seen your work, and for some of you, I've seen you under some of the most trying circumstances. I think of Todd. I saw Todd the morning of Hurricane Irene, and for others, I've seen you out in tough circumstances, and you rise above. And what I want to tell you is that, in addition to expressing gratitude, I want to be there for you. And when you put your grant applications in to support you, and then also when you do recruiting, if there's something that I can do, if I can help be at an event to get people out to recruiting, I would want to do that, because I know how challenging it is. And oftentimes what I see is the firefighters we have, the auxiliary we have, generally the sons and daughters of families that come from firefighters. And that's very admirable, but we have to keep striving to reach out and bring new families into the fold. And so I want to work with you on that. It's a great event here, always a wonderful meal, and thank you for having me. God bless you. Thank you so much.